All right, this is our 2017 Thor Hurricane. It's about 36 feet long. I think it's just a little bit over that. This is a gasser. It's got the V10 in the front on it. Just under 70,000 miles on it as well. Just have generator on it along with solar. This thing is pretty nice. It's a 1.5 bathroom with a bunk, and we'll show you how that works and everything here later in the video. We'll just start with a quick tour. Pretty simple. You got the seats up here. Got this table that sits in here, makes for kind of a nice little dining breakfast nook type area, so that way you have more seating. You do get a big old touchscreen right there as well. A little fold out area for when you're traveling to have your stuff into. More cabinet space up in here. As you can see, you also have your fans there as well. You got privacy curtains that close on each side, and then you do have a privacy shade that comes down there as well. Got your little dining area over here. Obviously this folds down to have more sleeping area. Got some cup holders. Got some outlets down here on the bottom as well. Storage down in here. Hide some stuff into. The factory couch has been removed. It's got this futon kind of bed in here. Allows you to sleep. You could probably sleep 2 people here if you wanted to. Realistically, 1 adult, a couple of kids on there. More storage on top as well. Love, because you know we all need that in our lives. More cup holders. Over on the side right here, this is where your washer and dryer hookups are at. As you can see, you actually have your plugins right there, and then your connections are right there as well. But if you're not using it for that, it makes for really nice storage. Over here, obviously we have more space. Sorry, turn that off, it's a little bit loud. More storage space down in here. This is in your master bedroom. TV right there as well. More closet space, just tons and tons of it. You have a bunch of little charging outlets right in here for your phones, a bunch of USB outlets. Thermostat control, because you do have a separate AC unit over here as well. This is where your master bath is at. This is really nice. This is the ladder for up front, by the way. Cabinetry in here. Let me see if I can get that better. There we go. Cabinetry in here. Big, huge medicine cabinet there. Nice size stand-up shower as well. And then moving on to the bed. King-size bed. Absolutely massive. You have more lighting up underneath. Radio controls there, which is super nice. Moving along here, this is where your half bath sits. Just toilet with some more storage. Wash your hands and some more storage there as well. Pretty nice to have that, so that way you don't have to go all the way to the back to use the bathroom. Another TV here as well. More storage underneath. You got your pantry right here with a ton of storage on it. Residential fridge. 3-burner cooktop with an oven. Microwave. More storage along the side and underneath as well. You obviously have your double sink here, as you can see. And then moving on, I'm gonna bring the beds down so you can see them real quick. And this is what it looks like with the bunk down. Your ladder sits right here. You can see it kind of just sits right on top of these seats right here. Nothing too major. Gives you enough room. Definitely could sleep 2 adults up here. Throw all your kids up there, squish them up there, whatever you want to do. But really nice that you get that extra sleeping area where you usually would not have it, especially on an A-class like this. There usually is only the king bed. And so lots of sleeping options for you and your family. But yeah, if you have any more questions, comment down below. Like I said, this one is priced for $49,950. It's a 2017 Thor Hurricane. Just over 36 feet long on it and right under 70,000 miles. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.